Do you like new stuff? Yeah, me too. This episode is called A Distant Challenge. And what a distant challenge is whenever I go out and I find photographers that inspire me to be better. And then us photographers come up with a specific challenge. And we go out, we film a vlog, we merge those vlogs with our initial reactions to those videos. And then talks about what we would have done differently, what we enjoyed about the video. I really hope you guys enjoy this type of video because there's going to be several more coming. So welcome to the first episode of A Distant Challenge. And I think it's really cool that you're from Vancouver, is that right?
Yep.
That's really cool. So I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, in the States, and I don't know how many miles away you are, but that's I would say that's distant for sure.
Yeah, we're pretty far away.
Yeah, awesome.
Definitely different climate, man.
I would say so. So with our first challenge, we discussed one or two things, and I think what we're going to go with is shooting portraits at f8 and above. Is that what we're going to do? Are you cool with that?
Yeah, man, I think that's a great challenge. A lot of people don't shoot at f8 for portraits, so I think it's a good idea. It's a nice little break from relying on a nice shallow field.
Right. Yeah, I think people rely on that so much that's kind of like the status quo is like, what are you shooting at? F2, like whatever you can wide open is, you know?
I think like the X100V is just such a versatile camera. It's such a great lens too. This is like a great way to show off just the sharpness of it.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go no flash for this challenge.
Okay. Perfect.
So we're gonna go available light.
Okay.
And
I really do think this is going to be fun. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see like who you choose to be your model and how you dress them or how they dress and like the environment that you're in compared to where I'm at in the world.
Yeah.
And how those things can be such a change in scenery and change like the whole mood of the shoot. And obviously having two different people doing two different things, but like at the same time doing the same thing, I think is going to be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm excited to see what you do. I think let's not give away too much of our plan.
Yeah,
it'll be fun to we'll regroup and like just go over each of our process.
I'm excited, man. Good deal. I appreciate you doing this again. I think it's gonna be really fun for real.
Yeah, man. Thanks for reaching out. I'm like super excited to see what you do.
Yeah, man. Me too. All right, I'll talk to you later, man.
See ya.
Peace.
Bye.
All right, guys. I just got Hunter's video in. I'm gonna watch it right now. Record my reaction. I wonder how his shoot went. I'm betting he's got a lot more sun. He's out in Nashville, so I know it's sunnier there. Probably better weather than we have up here in Vancouver. And yeah, I'm curious to see what his process is like, how he handles the shoot, the F8 challenge, and how he directs his models. Let's take a look.
All right, so I'm here with Katie back here. Check her outfit out there. It's pretty dope.
Okay, already?
Very cool. And we're actually like at the Capitol in Nashville. And we have found a place right here.
All right, already he brought an actual camera to do this vlog. Unlike me, I used my cell phone, and that was a super crunch time. So this is already looking real good.
And it should be pretty cool. So the challenge is to shoot f8 and above, which is going to be really tough as far as portraiture goes. But I think that we're going to be able to do some really cool stuff. I'm seeing some cool light coming through here, and we're about to use that. You see how my body is?
Get her in the beam of light. That's killer.
Back that way towards that light.
Okay.
That's dope. Oh yeah, I dig these. Love the sun rays coming in. Backlit. Real good stuff. Alright, so you like using the EVF or the OVF, eh? I like to shoot from the back of the screen. Here like that, highlighting it. A little slow shutter, that's cool. Like the slow shutter. Nice, that's cool.
Light's bright, right? Alright, so let's try to keep your eyes cupped. Alright, so we're gonna...
Yes, that's good, man. The F8 aperture
so what I've done is
lets you use the slow shutter.
I put Katie here in this really cool light. As you can see, it's probably blown out. It looks great. And I'm slowing my shutter speed down, like really slow, and putting my ND filter on, which is really helpful with this camera. And we're gonna see what
nice.
these look like.
I like it. Look at you, man, just cutting even more light out of the camera.
Yes, stay
So jealous of all the light you had.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here, Jack, like this right here, and then lean this way. Yes.
Nice, like that. Looks good.
Okay, so we found like this slice of light, Katie, right where she is. And it's gonna be really cool because, as you can see, we have all this darkness compared to her. So I'm gonna be exposing for her. That's gonna look almost black if I get it exposed correctly like I want.
Mm-hmm. Good use of the light. Good job, Hunter.
We got it. For sure.
It's a cool location, dude. I like this location.
Come down here a little bit further. I'm gonna use this one. Look back, 1, 2, 3. And I like it when you're like breathing through your mouth, so I can see your teeth a little bit. You know what I mean?
That's killer.
Over top of you. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have you look up. 1, 2, 3. Down there, just so I can like get a different perspective of what's going on.
Yep, switch it up.
Dude, right here would be kind of cool. Alright, so I really like this. Alright, now bring it all the way in. Like all your hair in the front. Yeah.
Pause it here. I love how sharp these photos look. You could tell they're at f8. Background's in real nice focus as well. But the way you're just cutting out the light is good. And the shadows are dark. I like it.
Alright, stay right where you're at, and I'm gonna go up top and then photograph you from up there. Perfect, that's good. Alright, yeah, keep looking up here for me. That's awesome. Let's kind of get like, make your hair like go across, like, not like, kind of like you have bangs, you know what I mean?
Get that higher angle, man. That's what I'm talking about. I like playing with the height.
Yeah,
That's good.
but we got it figured out. We're gonna use this parking lot here.
I love it. I know it's fire.
Nobody here.
Nobody's here.
Just fantastic. Look at this. You don't get this.
Look at that whole parking lot to yourself. Dang, man. Oh yeah, like that. Get that low angle. Okay. There you go. I love these wide angles. That really takes advantage of the f8. Seeing that building in the back. A lot of detail. Love that.
So, let's do one of you actually laying down, but I want you to go like back this way so your body's like, your feet are pointed towards me. Alright. Alright, lean your head back. So, we are, I think, done with the parking lot. Parking lot's been cool.
It's been very cool.
Really cool.
Very warm, actually.
Very nice. So on to the next. All right, so I found these really cool steps right here, and I'm gonna have Katie walk up those, and I'm gonna put her right in the sunlight, and then everything else should be dark around her, essentially. We'll skip. Let your hands drop. And just look up and close your eyes. All right, so don't move from that. I'm gonna like photograph your hand.
There you go. Use that tilt screen of the X100 right there. That's what I'm talking about. Cool. Oh, that's a good one, man. Love that. You know, the f8 aperture here helps a lot too, showing the lines of the stairs.
Okay,
It's good.
I'm moving. We're on the move. Oh, this looks great. Yeah, just like that. So like, what I'm gonna do is put like this. Your face is like right where it needs to be in the sun. All right, just don't move from that. Come on, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's great. Back towards the sun. Lovely.
Okay. There you go. Help with the poses. You gotta show the pose yourself. That's what you gotta do.
Let's keep. I like really straight up. Push your hands down. Right there. Yep. I can see. Come over on top of you a little bit. Your eyes are real good here. Let's keep your head this way a little bit. All right, Vic. I really hope that I did everything right, man. Let me know what you think.
Dude, you killed.
Yeah. Had a good time. Okay, did you have a good time?
A great time. Survived the cold.
It wasn't that cold. All right, Vic, you're up next.
Well, Hunter, you killed it, man. That was amazing. Such good shots. The use of the light, the shadow, and the lines. You totally took advantage of the f8 aperture to the fullest. You know, not relying on that shallow depth of field for the portraiture is exactly what I expected from you. You killed it, man. I just wish I had more light in mind now. But that was awesome. I really had a good time watching that. Can't wait to reconnect and let's talk about it more there, man. Great video.
All right, so here we go. I'm about to watch Vic's video for the first time. It's already opened up, and it looks like it's a great sunset. Sunrise, sunset, I don't know. But here we go, and I'll give you my thoughts. Good luck, Vic.
Oh yeah, look at that sun right there. All right, we're trying to go out right now. We're gonna try to catch that sunset. All right, we made it to the dock, and it is really dark. Don't know if we're gonna get enough light.
I don't know what camera he's using, but it's doing pretty good in the dark.
We're just waiting for the model, and we'll start. These are the settings right now.
F8, following the rules.
Kasha just showed up.
Hey.
And we're gonna try to catch whatever light we can get. It's starting to get dark, but
Cross your fingers.
see what we can get.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Beautiful cityscape.
All right. I'm really pushing the ISO right now.
ISO 2500. That looks pretty good. I wouldn't have guessed it was that dark. That's a nice shot. I like the boat in the background. The model's doing good too. 1/20th of a second. That's pretty impressive. You got some steady hands, Vic. Wow.
Whatever light we can, yo.
I like how you turn your subject towards the sun. Little Rembrandt. That looks great. I still can't believe you're not shaking 1/40th of a second. Oh man. Leading lines, composition. That's my favorite so far. Cool pose.
You're losing a lot of light.
Silhouettes, man. See, now this is probably what I would be doing at sunset. That's a cool pose. Love the hands, man.
My ISO settings right now is 3200 f8 and it's super dark. Last bit of light, literally last bit of light.
Catch that light, Vic. Pushing that ISO. That one's cool.
Good job.
Nice. Vic, bro. Those were really great. I especially like the one with the bridge in the background. I love how you turned your subject so she wasn't being backlit anymore, and you got to use a little bit more of that light coming off of the sun. That was perfect. And then you flipped over to the silhouettes. You were using everything that you possibly could to your advantage, and shooting at that hour in itself was a challenge on top of the F8 challenge. I think you did really good with this challenge. I'm impressed, and it looks like you had a lot less time than I did, so you did really good with the time that you had. These portraits were great. Your model seemed awesome. She did a good job, and yeah, man, it was great, man. Good job, really good job. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun for us to make this. It took over a month, and it was well worth it. Vic did a really good job with his F8 challenge, and I believe I did a pretty good job as well. Vic was at a disadvantage considering the time of day and how much sunlight he had to use, and he was definitely pushing his ISO. I really enjoyed doing this. Thanks, Katie, for helping out and modeling, and thank you, Vic, for participating in this challenge, and I can't wait to show you guys the next one. Until next time, peace.